UX performance impact on e-commerce conversion rate built using a new Amazon EC2 DL1 instance. Using deep learning neural network machine learning model to help improve conversion rates by providing targeted recommendations around performance KPIs which matter most. To provide visibility around which UX performance KPIs matter most when it comes to conversion rate and revenue generation, build an experiment for different optimization scenarios and impact of those on conversions, though this model is not limited to performance KPIs only and can be used for any other KPI. What is the reason behind building this model? Being a performance engineer for 15 plus years is very critical for me, whether it's front-end or back-end performance, though it's always very hard to map the performance to the business outcome. As part of this project, I'm trying to establish that relationship so that it will become easy to present a case to the business when it comes down to the performance and why it matters most and how it will help to improve the overall conversion and the revenue. What is the working mechanism for this machine learning model? This model analyzes all the historical session information, focused on UX and backend performance, built using deep learning binary classification, PyTorch framework, uses around 80,000 plus data rows and 48 different parameters, where one data row is mapped to one session, which can be converted or non-converted. Trained model work on 500 plus sessions by reducing one KPI at a time by 2 to 6% and running prediction to see if we observe any shift from non-convergent sessions to the converted sessions as part of the binary classification. Overall change from non-converted to the converted sessions are calculated to understand critical KPIs can have most impact on overall conversion rate. Managed to achieve the 81% accuracy with 24 epochs, at the same time making sure no overfitting will happen. 3 KPIs which can have the most impact on the conversion rate for given data to increase the accuracy from 81% to 90%. Present this outcome to the business to create a case so that these improvements can be implemented. Now it's time for a demo. We just launched our DL1 instance and you can see the AMI names, deep learning, Habana PyTorch 1.7.1. Just to verify our DL1 instance is running properly, I already cloned the GitHub repository on my DL1 EC2 instance. And over here I started the training process for the model. You can see over here the libraries are loaded and binary classifications. Model building is already in progress. As you can see, the training process is already in progress. After evaluation, it managed to figure out 3 critical KPIs which can have an impact on overall conversion rate. So the KPI name is average days duration, content load events end, and time to connect end. And these are the percentage improvement in conversion.